Rivian air hose. Got a flat tire on my other car. Let's pump it up. Got the air hose out of the gear tunnel side compartment here. And the Rivian. And one thing they don't tell you that I figured out is you have to pull back that to get the air hose on, because it releases the little ball inside when I do that. Look at that. That magic. So I put that on here. So got the wire in, ready to go. Then on this side, you gotta get this little adapter that's in a little hidden pouch in the pouch that holds the hose and put that onto the end. Then it's feeling pressure against it. Then it will actually work when you go to put this on your car. And then when you pull it off, push this little button here to pull it off of the car. Bring this over. I believe that is flat. So checked the inside already. Remember, just check the inside of your door there. Get the PSI. I'm gonna be doing 32. So I'm just gonna hook this up. And I was able to pump up the tire pretty easily. Put it at 32 on the little dial.